So in this video, I wanted to share with you guys 4 matte lip colors from ColourPop. Okay, so this first one is called Beeper. Beeper, I would say, is like a shade of pink. And when it comes to ColourPop matte colors, they are so easy to glide on. Now look at how this color looks. It is so cute. It doesn't give a chalky look. It just gives a nice color on my lips. And it feels good on my lips as well. The second one is Limbo. I would say this is a brown color. It's a beautiful color if you want a more natural look, a more natural appearance. When it comes to your overall outfit, I like the brown look. You understand? It's cute, and look at that. It really looks nice on my lips. This other color is called Melonade, and I would say this is more of a red type of matte color. I like all the lip colors that I'm showing you in this video, but I would say the Melonade is my favorite. It's just a different type of red. So if you're looking for a nice red color, I would definitely suggest the Melonade color. This final one is called Lax. Lax is another shade of red as well. It is a beautiful color. This isn't the first time I've been trying or using ColourPop matte lip colors. I would highly recommend you check out their cosmetics. I also purchased, I have a palette from them that I've had over the years that I still use, and I just love their products. So if you've never checked them out, I would suggest you check them out. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next review. Bye!